Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ben. I'm one of the RAs here at Roberts Hall. I'm studying a Bachelor of Science and I'm currently in my second year, and I would love to give you a quick tour. Roberts is a great hall. It's right in the heart of the residential community. So we're really close to a lot of the other halls such as Farrah, Howard, Deakin, all those sort of ones. And we're also just like a 2-minute walk from our Halls Cafe. It's really great. And plus, with the great positioning of the residential village, we're only like a 10-minute walk from campus. So you're never that far from your classes. This is our main building, so let me give you a quick show around. So the first room we have here is the microwave room. Not that interesting, but we do have a lot of lovely lockers. This is where people often store a lot of their utensils and cookware and stuff. For example, here's mine. It's a bit messy right now, so please excuse, but as you see, that's where I keep my cookware. And in here is the kitchen itself. So we've had 8 burners available, and this is for the entire hall. Again, a couple more microwaves, toasted sandwich machines, sinks, the stuff that you'd expect to be inside a kitchen. The kitchen is available for everyone to use, so it's always a great time to meet people. In here, this is our projector room. This is one half of our common space. This is where people often come to eat food or watch movies on our big projector screen. It's a lot of fun. We sometimes gather here for the AFL. It's a good time. And then if you just come over to the other side of this petition, this is actually our other half of our common room. This is the common room itself. So people also eat dinner here. It's just another space for everyone to hang out. And it's really great. People play games here. People like to hang out. And sometimes we have attached with the dog bowl, which is kind of like our canteen. So we might open that up, put some snacks out. We might have academic nights where we put up some biscuits available for everyone. And you can just come here, study with your friends and eat some biscuits. So that's our common space. And this is also one of our common spaces. This is our games room. So in our games room, we have a ping pong table, as well as 2 pool tables. So people just come out here again to hang out. This is also attached to our mail room, which is just behind us over there. And through that mail room there is where all of our mailboxes are. So this is where people get mail delivered, and it's a very straightforward process. Let's head downstairs. And here, I'm not sure if you picked up already with the dog bowl, but our mascot is the Bulldog, and we are the puppies. So of course, this is the kennel. Everything is named accordingly. And in the kennel, this is just sort of our hangout room. We've got some couches, a television, some more couches up that, and a nice big open space. We like to come here, have a party every once in a while, get our boogie on, you know how it is. Lots of fun. And then if we come through here, we have our music room. Inside our music room, we have a piano, as well as a little bit of soundproofing, so people can have a lot of fun and play any music that they feel like in here. Through here is our laundry room. Our laundry room is entirely free to use. We have several washing machines, as well as some dryers. So all of these, this is just where everyone does their washing. It's nice and simple, not much to say here. Ironing board, all the usual. It's just some of the wheels. So that concludes everything for the common spaces. There is one last little part of Roberts that I would like to show you, and that's one of our residential stairways. So come along and I'll show you mine. So here in Roberts we have 8 stairways, of course ranging from stairway number 1 to stairway number 8. They're arranged around this lovely green area here in the middle that we like to call the mound. So starting over in that far back right hand corner, we have stairway 8, and then wrapping all the way around to stairway 1, which is actually up above those common spaces. So I'm the RA of stairway 3, so I'd like to come and give you a quick look at what stairway 3 looks like. This is the stairway where I live and I'm the RA of. So we have 2 rooms on this bottom floor, and on most of our floors we have a little kitchenette. Not every single floor, but I'll just show you this one for example. So in our kitchenette, we've just got a nice little sink, cupboards here and here, and a little bench for working. This is like a smaller kitchen that's not quite the same as the common room one, but sometimes that can get filled up quite quickly. And this is also just an easier spot for residents to store maybe some food or any other cookware that they couldn't fit in a locker in the common room. All of these kitchenettes are also attached to a bathroom. Not much to see in there. Toilet, shower, sink. You get the picture. The last part of Robert's I'd love to show you is the resident bedroom. So what better bedroom to show you than my own? Now, all of the bedrooms at Robert's come with a few stable features, such as a desk, a bed, a mirror, and some storage space in the form of a wardrobe. Now, not all of the rooms will look like this, and mine is a little bit bigger due to the fact that I am an RA. However, other than what you see here, because the rest of the stuff that's furnished is mine, it really is like a blank canvas. So what's great about these rooms is you can pretty much make it your own. You can put your own little twists on it, you can put some nice posters up, anything like that to make it your own home. And so that concludes the tour of our hall. When you are considering where you want to live when you come to university, I do sincerely hope you consider Robert's, as it is so conveniently placed and such an amazing atmosphere to live in. I have made countless memories here, and I hope one day that you can come here and make those memories too. And if you ever see me around, come say hi. And remember that we can't wait to see you.